Morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's having a good Friday. The meme stocks today seem to be in play again, which is interesting. So let's see if we get some good opportunities today. No FOMO. Stick to the strategy. Just gonna go through my watch list to set some levels here. AMC had an amazing level yesterday. The low of yesterday, what coincided with the low that was back in December to the penny. I'll show you too. Look at this. Low of December 14th, 2080. And low of yesterday, 2080. Alrighty, so let's just wait and see what the market gives us. So far, I don't actually like anything. It looks very choppy today. Everything moved one direction and then pulled back really hard. The only other thing that's not pulling back is GME, but I think I think it's gonna be really choppy today. Nikola has no volume, but price action is pretty good so far. Might keep an eye on that. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on Nikola. And as I say it now, it doesn't look very good. JD looks pretty good. Still gonna keep waiting. Gonna wait until 10 minutes have passed before I consider taking a trade. That also means I'm really hoping that within the next 5 minutes we'll see something that we can trade. Doesn't look very good right now, but keep an eye out. Nicola actually looks very bullish. Look at that level too. Still just scanning right now. Still don't see anything that I really like. Nicola gave us climatic volume, but it was a little too early for me to play. Looking at JD, because it was going down for a while, but it just whipped back up. No signal whatsoever, so I don't think I can trade that for the next little bit. So I'm back to square one here. I'm gonna keep waiting and looking. Ooh, space is nice. Yeah, I might trade space. Volume's good. Climate. Waiting for entry signal here. At least it's going up too right now, so might be able to take a short on it. Oh, damn it. Really hoping for it to go a little up. I do not like trading it when it just immediately goes down. Reason being is I want to see a conviction that wants to go up, fail, and then go down. Oh, look at that. Now let's go up again. It's not a perfect setup anymore. I might just keep waiting. Let me take a look at Lucid actually. But Lucid hasn't been going up for that long. It's moving too. Switch up my watch list a little. All right. See, plug's moving well, but it needs a little bit more time, a little bit more gap. SPC has the gap, but it's not giving me a clean move, and the volume is starting to not fit my profile anymore. Lucid actually looks pretty good for my profile. I think I would be more comfortable taking a short at R3 or something like that. The EVs look pretty strong. Said I'm still not there. Rising volume, but the price is moving more. So I have a feeling that it's actually gonna keep going up. Taking a look at the level 2, it is a little bullish. So keep an eye out on it. See if we got opportunity later. $95 or 39.50 is good bids, and 40 of course that's good. Asks, I should say. There 3's coming up. Okay. Yeah, I think it should be getting close to where it's gonna pull back. But I also think it's gonna break R3. Maybe. We'll see what happens at 39.50. And I want to also see the next available one, of course, is 40. All right, it's at R3. What you gonna do? It looks strong. Volume is rising. It's good. Oh, it's really good. All right, getting close to 50. Broke 50. Okay, so we might have a chance here. See what the price does. I don't like the size of the candle though. Oh, there's no short for short. Oh no. What a shame. No shares for sure. I just noticed that. Lucid. Yeah. Well. Okay, never mind then. Allies lowering climatic volume. Oh, wow. I got a pretty bad fill. It's a shame. Lucid's trading really, really well. Yeah, it took a little bit off here to cover commissions. Gonna hold the rest for the 9 EMA. Just gonna take half off. Just because my fill was very bad. So now the rest for the 9 EMA. Yeah, Lucid, what a trade. Short, tried to short it here, didn't work, but it actually went and touched the 9 moving average. Yeah. Oh wow. Think I'm gonna get stopped out on Lee at any moment. Yep. Hey, barely made any money on that one, but that's okay. Lucid would have been a really, really, really good trade. I mean, even if my entry was better, um, that would have been a much better trade as well. But unfortunately, I didn't get a very good fill because LI tends to have a pretty wide spread for the price that it's at. So Nicholas sucks now. Well, yeah, not much now in terms of opportunity. If Lucid keeps going up, maybe we'll have another shot. But right now, it seems to be stalling. Lee's actually pretty crazy today. Another climactic candle. I don't want to take it though. This is getting weird. Look at the volume. It's not consistent at all. There's nothing. There's a rise, which is good. Yeah, it coincides with the move. Um, but then you have one climactic candle, which is good for my strategy. That's why I took it short. And then the next two candles are just nothing. And another climactic candle. So it just looks like someone's trading large bulks of stock at a time. You can actually see here, 29.15. There was a really big sell. I don't even know how many shares that is, but yeah, just gonna keep waiting. Be patient. Yeah, Astra's up. Oh, Astra got destroyed yesterday. Made new lows. Astra's one that I've been keeping around to maybe take a position in for a long-term trade. But it seems like it's kind of wild. At least this looks like it's from some sort of head and shoulder pattern. Not sure if it's actually going to play out, but you see it's going up. Made one top, moved down, made a higher top. So this would be called shoulder, head, and then if it makes like another lower top, then that's the second shoulder. And then if the pattern plays out, usually then it drops afterward. Yeah, taking a look at other stocks and seeing what strategies look like it worked. I mean, for this one, got a double bottom on the previous day close. The only problem is I don't think you would want to take this because uh, double bottoms tend to be a lot better when it's later in the day, not 5 minutes after the open. So yeah, back to the waiting game so far. Wow, DKNG is doing pretty good today. DKNG actually sort of gave, yeah, not very good actually. We're keeping an eye on it. If it runs up again like this, might have an opportunity. The volume profile looks like it's supposed to reverse now or soon. I don't really trust it though. There's not a lot of space between the 9 EMA and the price. If it throws like a climactic volume candle, then maybe it's good. But yeah, this is what I mean. You see the volume right now is just a little bit over the prior candle. But look at the size of the prior candle versus the candle right now. It's just going up. Ooh, now it's going to climactic. Okay, now you might have. This is good. This is good. Short here. I don't know if that was a good idea though. I don't think it is, depending on how it's going right now, but let's see. Don't like the way it's stalling here. Look at partial for commission, and I'll hold the rest for 9 EMA. This is pretty shaky though. I might get wicked out and just get nothing. But sticking to the strategy, I'm not supposed to go out, so I'm gonna take half off here. Market's going down now, so I might actually have a chance. Took another half off here at the 9 EMA. That looks like it's working. Kind of want to wait until 2740 though. Okay, close enough. Took another half position off here. I see a large bid at 27. Maybe we'll go there. Which is also the VWAP, which would be the ultimate target. SPY is looking a little bearish now, so maybe we'll get there. Wow, XPEP is ripping down pretty hard. I'm gonna take half position off here again, just for my nerves. I don't want to lose out on the profit because pulled back quite a bit now. We're talking about what, 2%? Quite a bit. But yeah, I'll let the last bit ride out. See if it hits the next moving average. If not, whatever. Stop me out. I do have an eye out on other stuff right now, just because the market's looks like it's ripping down. Um, one that looks good to me is XPEP. XPEP past 5 minute ripped down $1, which is quite a bit. Volume's sort of rising, so we'll see what happens. It just hit a pretty significant level here, so I want to see. This is the pre-market low and yesterday's open. So I'm not surprised the price is stalling a little bit here. It's still going down. XPEP is moving quite nicely still. Or sorry, DKNG. I mean, XPEP is still moving quite nicely. Not at somewhere we can trade yet, but it's moving. DraftKings is moving really nice today, though. I really wanted to hit 27. I'll probably go all out at 27 if it does go there. Rationale for this is it's around the VWAP. It's also around the pre-market high. And it's a level 2 stack. So after it goes there, most likely it'll face pretty strong resistance. Or I guess in this case, support, you'd call it. But you can take half position off here. It's really, really close to the VWAP. But in all honesty, I have so little shares that it doesn't mean a thing. I have 8 shares left. If if the stock moves, if the stock moves $1, I'll get $8. But I guess it's to prove a point. To reach 27, I'm gonna take it off here. It's close enough. So yeah, that's it. There we go. Done my trade. This was really, really good trade. And I know I got nervous and took extra partial here. I could have gotten a lot more profit, but that's okay. But yeah, so keep an eye out, see what else we got. I know XPEV is going down. It needs to go down a little longer before I can take a trade. If it gives us one or two more candles down, it would have been nice, but I don't like this low pullback that it did right here. DKNG still going down. How many shares did I buy? 300. Oof. If I held that, this could have been a $300 trade. All the way to here. Of course, that's unreasonable because you never know if it's going to go that far, but it's good to know that it's possible. XPEV doesn't look very good. Yeah, I don't know if I want to trade XPEV. Its spread is pretty bad today. Talking about 10 cents on a $40 stock. Whereas if you compare it to something like Neo, spread is like 1 cent. Which is typical for Neo. So if I do go in, then I'm already 10 cents down. Yeah, still looking at the market to see if we have any more opportunities. Uh, in my honest opinion, though, nothing looks really good. I mean, XPEV looks like it's going back down again. So maybe we'll have an opportunity, but it did just touch the 9 moving average, which is not the best. Volume's pretty low on it now too, so I don't know if I want to touch it. And again, spread's terrible. It's 11 cents right now. So very likely, I think I might be done for the day. I mean, I'll keep looking at it for a while, but I don't have high hopes. Just looking at other stuff to see if there's anything. DKNG's reversed off the VWAP, not surprising. Ooh, AAL's moving up. Though it's actually not that much. 10 cents only. Wow, AL is actually really bullish. Look at those liquidity stacks. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it here, guys. I really don't see anything else that I like, and I don't think anything's gonna form within the next 10 minutes that will allow me to trade it. So thanks for joining me, and see you guys next week. Have a good weekend.